today is Mr. Nitish Nagori. Nitish has been a good friend of mine and he's been a banker for the last 30 years, working with some of the largest banks in the country. So today we want to ask him about his career journey and what his advice is to young people who want to enter the banking sector. Hello, Nitish.
Hi, Samrat. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, so we just wanted to understand what was your journey in the banking sector and how you have come so far and what is the secret of your success.
Okay, so let me go back, as you rightly mentioned, close to 30 years. Banking was not destined or designed, but it happened accidentally. And post my, one of my first job was in a small NBFC, which finally got acquired by G Capital. That's where I learned the ropes of. I joined as a sales manager in the automobile sector, and the job involved meeting customers, doing the documentation right from any product, whatever the NBFC wanted to. But that's where I learned the ropes, and then I got a break in Citibank and so on and so forth, and then I moved on to a couple of large banks. I worked with ICICI Bank, ABN AMRO, HDFC. So the journey started with a very small outfit, and having learned the ropes of sales and relationship, and realized that banking is something that a customer has one-to-one relation, and there is a lot of trust, which is extremely important when it comes to that. It is not about product sales. Obviously, I would have made a lot of mistakes in my initial days, but over a period, understanding the product and being honest to customer was the most important thing.
Okay.
I think was very critical, and that's how the journey started. I would put it that way.
Okay, thank you. So Nitish, what were your initial challenges and how you overcame them and became such a successful banker?
So let me put it this way. When I joined, I joined as a sales manager stroke relationship manager. Till such time, I did not know anything about sales. So my first biggest fear about sales, it is definitely challenging is what you feel. But within the first week itself, when I met few customers and started to interact and make them understand the product that I was talking about, I slowly started building confidence. More importantly, then I started liking what I was doing and got to know the product better. And I realized that you have to know your product. ये बहुत important है कि when आप जब customer के साथ हो and customer की query आप resolve कर पाओ. तो initial challenge, initial hiccups were एक तो fear था कि कैसे करें, कैसे जाए customer के पास. I think that was very, very critical. How I overcame was obviously product. हम जो product बेच रहे थे या जो explain कर रहे थे उसकी जानकारी पूरी होनी चाहिए. I thought that was important. Second most important was, मैंने पहले भी बताया, बैंक का मतलब है can I bank on you? That भरोसा, that विश्वास. And that can happen only when you are very honest, true. कस्टमर अगर आप गलती भी करो तो कस्टमर को बता देते हैं कि सर आई वॉज रॉन्ग, maybe this is what it is. So I think that is very, very critical. So those finer nuances initially I learned, and there is no substitute to hard work because customer is king. When the customer can be extremely demanding, but that is his right. So yeah, I would have put in a lot of effort initially, and एक बार customer का भरोसा होता है, then price and other things don't matter. And obviously you will give the right advice. I think that is important. And then the referencing becomes much easier because customers only refer to their friend. Today, if you are satisfied with a product, you will probably tell your friends, relatives about, this was right, and that's what happened. So I thought, I think, initial days, I really worked on those kind of skills. Though I did not have any background as such, but and I'm sure I made mistakes. Mistakes, but learned in that. So these were challenges. Obviously, understanding product, sales की जो inability, मतलब डर होता है वो तो था ही. और एक हार्ड वर्क से तो कोई ये नहीं हो सकता. आई थिंक देयर आर इनफ एंड मोर क्लासिक एग्जांपल्स हाउ पीपल हैव पुट इन. So I kept working on some of these things. थोड़े challenging roles भी आए. I was not shy of taking more responsibilities. I think these are critical things. Any product, I think the basic qualities that one needs is that passion and that drive to do something. वो hunger होना चाहिए थोड़ा. बाकी तो सारे प्रोडक्ट यू कैन लर्न एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, बट अगर आपका इनर अगर वो हंगर नहीं है, पैशन नहीं है, तो दैट्स वेयर इट बिकम्स क्रिटिकल. एंड इट इज नॉट अबाउट, आई वाज आल्सो नॉट वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन, बट एज आई स्टार्टेड मीटिंग पीपल, अंडरस्टैंडिंग कस्टमर, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द प्रोडक्ट, confidence level went up, and that's what matters. I think these are initial challenges. That's how I overcame, and then finally I ended up leading a very, very large team and a very large book. In terms of numbers, it was really big. So it was a great journey, and that's how it moved.
So do you have any advice to young people on what they should be doing, people who are interested in coming to the banking sector?
If I look at the overall development in the country in the last say 25-30 years, banks have definitely played extremely critical role. I would say banks and IT services, ये दो sectors हैं जहाँ पर growth काफ़ी हुई है. IT services with automation and other thing, because it is becoming more challenging. India was always considered as a labor provider for IT services. बट वो थोड़ा सा अब मेरे को आगे चल के थोड़ा विद द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड अदर थिंग थोड़ा सा दिक्कत दिखता है. बैंक्स आर एवरग्रीन. एज अ कंट्री वी आर स्टिल हाईली अंडर बैंक. हमारी नंबर ऑफ बैंक्स आर स्टिल लो. एंड नाउ विद डिजिटल, आज से 10 साल पहले वी नेवर थॉट पेटीएम और इवन 20 रुपी ट्रांजैक्शंस आर हैपनिंग. सो बैंक्स आर बिकमिंग एक्सट्रीमली क्रिटिकल. So banking industry definitely will grow, and banks is not only savings and current account. सिर्फ पैसा रखना निकालना नहीं है. Bank is today giving everything. Bank is providing you the loans. Banks are taking care of your insurance, various other such needs which are there for customer. Banks are advising you for how to get maximum out of your money. Wealth advisory ho, private banking ho. So I think overall canvas for banking is extremely promising. Banks is largely extremely good customer service. आपका product centric approach कैसे होना चाहिए, and sales की nuances. Right customer को आप right product pitch करेंगे. Never get into any mis-selling. Never over promise. Rather than promise what you can deliver, and promise lower than what you can deliver. Rather than making just a promise and getting a sale and having very angry customer does not help. Customers get you more customer. So that is very critical in this overall journey.
And ये जो आपने skill के बारे में बताए, can these skills be learned, and what challenges you faced and you thought that if somebody had taught me this, I could have done a better job? ऐसा, do you have any advice to younger people like this?
So no doubt. I mean जैसे मैं बता रहा था, see luck and hard work is also very important. Sometimes you are lucky that आपके managers या आपके superiors आपको सिखा दे. बट जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था तो इंडस्ट्री वॉज एट अ नेसेंट स्टेज. ओके, वी वर अ स्मॉल टीम. आवर सुपरवाइजर्स गाइडेड अस वेरी वेल. हैविंग सेड दैट, नाउ विद द काइंड ऑफ ओवरऑल मैन पावर एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज, देयर इज वेरी लिमिटेड टाइम फॉर एनीबडी टू explain you, teach you, make you learn. In those days, if I had some professional academy or a coaching, I think my journey could have been much better.
Mm-hmm.
अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पहले से थोड़ी जानकारी हो, एंड इफ यू कैन लर्न दी स्किल्स, बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट every individual has certain potential, certain capacity, capability. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि नहीं कर सकता है. अगर उसको सही मार्गदर्शन, सही गाइडेंस मिले तो one can easily do it, and the journey can be much faster. Things which I took maybe 3 years to learn, if I had some course, some understanding, probably my journey would have been maybe in 2 or 3 months. I think that is very critical, and what you and Expertify is doing is commendable. I think, you know, I've seen the content. तो उससे बहुत लोगों को फायदा होगा, बहुत लोगों का जर्नी सिंपल हो जाएगा. एनी न्यू एनवायरनमेंट इज ऑलवेज, आपको डर रहता है हमेशा. जब हम कोई शहर भी चेंज करते हैं, या स्कूल चेंज करते हैं, या कॉलेज चेंज करते हैं, या जॉब चेंज करते हैं, इफ इट्स नॉट फेमिलियर बैकग्राउंड तो डर रहता है. करेक्ट. अ गुड कोर्स और अ गुड ट्रेनिंग कैन मेक यू understand this better from day one. तो आपकी grasping जल्दी हो जाती है, and that's how you can be successful in your approach.
That is what we have tried in the course. And our HE banks are expanding all over India. Now people are there from small towns, tier 2, tier 3 towns. And for you also, you manage a large team from every town of India. तो ये tier 2, tier 3 town इनमें हम लोग देखते हैं कि स्टूडेंट लोगों का कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है. What is your advice to them? What are the challenges that they face, and how they can really achieve or do well in a bank?
The very important question. I think जब मैंने अपना करियर चालू किया था तो business was concentrated in top 10 or 12 cities only. So people did not have choice, but if you wanted to do something, कुछ अच्छा करना था तो बड़े शहरों में मूव करना पड़ता था. अब एज अ कंट्री भारत का विकास सभी जगह हो रहा है. सो आपके छोटे शहरों में भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ काफ़ी हो रही है. बैंक्स आर मूविंग इन, मे बी इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं सेटअप होती है उस जगह पर बैंक्स तो हर जगह पे आ रहे हैं. सो वन ऑब्वियसली अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के हिसाब से दीज आर गुड मार्केट. हाँ, बट ये होता है कि एज एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल के बाद अगर आपको ज़िंदगी में तरक्की करनी है तो आपको मूव करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू बी मूविंग टू डिफरेंट चैलेंजेस. ऑब्वियसली वो होता है कि एनवायरनमेंट कंप्लीटली नया हो, वहाँ पर अपने परिवार नहीं होता है. ओके, वो फेमिलियरिटी नहीं होता है, वो एक इकोसिस्टम जो बन जाती है वो नहीं होता है. तो वो सब चैलेंजेस होते हैं. कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग ऑल्सो इज अनदर बिग चैलेंज. ओके, व्हेन यू मूव फ्रॉम a tier 2, tier 3 to a main city, तो वो काइंड ऑफ चैलेंजेस है. वहाँ की लाइफ थोड़ी और तेज है, रफ्तार. ओके, लाइक एग्जांपल, मुंबई में लोग 2-2 घंटा ट्रैवल करते हैं जॉब के लिए. बट अगर आपको कुछ लाइफ में कुछ करना है, कुछ पाना है, तो ये सब तो करना ही पड़ेगा. ओके, कोर्सेज एकेडमी से आपको ये फ़ायदा होगा कि आप कोई भी शहर में अगर जाओ, बिकॉज बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ एनीथिंग इज सेम. आप जितने जल्दी अडॉप्ट कर लोगे वो शहर में तो वो हो जाता, मतलब यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल दैट मच फास्टर. एक और चीज़ है कि आपकी कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर अगर कम है कोई छोटे शहर में तो इनकम भी उतनी लिमिटेड होती है. जैसे आप बड़े शहरों में जाते हो तो योर अपॉर्चुनिटी and ability to increase your income is much larger, because multiple product की एक tier 3 tier 4 में एक particular limit के बाद वो product का acceptance उतना ही होगा. वही आप बड़े शहरों में जाओगे तो आपको वो opportunities बहुत ज़्यादा मिलती है, and
कस्टमर भी ज़्यादा मिलते हैं,
ट्रांजैक्शन साइज बढ़ जाती है, तो your overall revenue, overall income is increasing. हाँ, it will be little bit of a struggle initially, but how fast you can adjust to that is very critical.
Okay.
And बड़े सपने देखने हैं तो बड़ा चीज करना पड़ेगा.
Correct. You were talking about the journey from a tier 2, tier 3 city to a big city, but and you have advice for young people, but a lot of them ask, what is my career progression and income कितना हो सकता है? That is always a big question in young people's minds. So, आपका क्या advice है and what is your experience?
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अगेन. जैसे मैंने बताया कि बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री ओवरऑल, फ्रॉम अ अपॉर्चुनिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इट इज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट इंडस्ट्री टुडे. आई थिंक यहाँ पर जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ जो आएंगे आगे चल के भी, वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. वी आर स्टिल, मेरे ख्याल से अभी भी, एंड कस्टमर्स डोंट हैव एनी, ऐसा नहीं कि आप सिर्फ अगर आप लोन लेते हो तो एक ही लोन लेते हो, बट अगर आप बैंकिंग करते हो तो आप मल्टीपल बैंक के साथ ये करते हो. सो दैट इज़ वन पार्ट ऑफ इट, दैट फ्रॉम अ अपॉर्चुनिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज में बहुत ही है. इससे रिलेटेड जैसे हम बोलते हैं बैंक, BFSI, बैंकिंग, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज एंड इंश्योरेंस, ये सारे एक तरह से घुल मिल गए
और इंटररिलेटेड.
हाँ, ये इंटर रिलेटेड है. So a bank person can be heading an insurance company, or an insurance company can be, and we have enough and more examples that some of the large banks are either headed by some insurance head, or today insurance heads are ex-bankers. So bank एक ऐसा, banking touches every individual, every customer on a daily basis. So as I said, the opportunities are galore. I mean, there is lot in every bank. Multiple departments are there. How you learn, if you work in a particular organization and you do 2-3 different product in your career of 5, 6, 10, 8 years of initial this thing, आपकी एक overall personality development में बहुत फायदा होगा. And that will help you get into a larger role. Banking, maybe initially one will feel that, the salary levels and other things are lower, but it is today average engineer is also making similar money because हमारी population भी इतनी है. So it can start at as low as say 15 to 20,000 rupees a month and go up to, it's endless. It can be 20 lakh rupees a month also. Okay, it all depends on how much you are willing to work passionately, dedicate yourself to it and want to do something better. So every day is a learning. Every day आप कुछ improve करने का देखिए. Wherever you can, be honest to customer, be true to yourself. Do not miss-sell. Understand your product. Customer कभी भी price सिर्फ नहीं देखता है. Value benefit, and banking is a long lasting relationship thing. So career point of view, I think it's a great industry. I would still call it a sunrise industry, though banks have been there forever. But more and more product getting launched and deeper geographies, the overall industry canvas is much larger. So
what you're saying is starting salary can be same like an engineer, 15,000-20,000, but then if you put in that effort and relationship, तो income की कोई upper limit नहीं होती है.
Yeah.
So it can be anything.
It can be anything. Okay.
Which is not there in other professions.
Yeah, and there are more and more examples of people coming from grassroots to finally becoming the MD and CEO of the bank. It is not that you have to be a CEO somewhere. Most of the bankers today have worked from grassroots level and risen to this. So I think important aspect for younger generation is don't be scared. Okay, one is learn as much as you can in the initial career of your life. Obviously be honest to yourself and to your customer all the time, and put that extra effort, put that and enjoy what you're doing. अगर आपको वो काम पसंद है तो you will put more effort and you will be more successful. I think that is more important.
Thank you, Nitish, for all your advice. I hope the people who are listening to this, they understand the advice and understand what Nitish is saying. So there is no upper limit to success in banking, and this is of course a great career, and it is a sunrise industry, as Nitish said. In India, there is immense amount of opportunities going to be created in the next 20-25 years if you start your career now.